In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record on laptop. We'll use the built-in snipping tool on Windows, which is ideal when you want to capture a specific part of your screen without installing anything extra. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the recorder. Choose the area to capture, start and stop cleanly, and find your finished clip. It's a fast, reliable approach for quick demos and walkthroughs when you don't need full screen capture. First, press Windows key plus Shift plus R to open the screen recording overlay. A compact toolbar appears. This is snipping tool in recording mode. If it isn't already in video mode, click the video icon so you are set to capture motion rather than a still image. Next, click New. Your screen will dim and your cursor changes so you can draw a region. Click and drag to outline the exact area you want to record. Take a moment to frame it neatly. Everything inside that box will be captured. And anything outside won't appear. If the framing isn't quite right, simply try the drag again until the box matches what you want to show. When you are happy with the selection, click Start. A short countdown appears to give you a moment to get in position. After the countdown, recording begins. Move at a steady pace. Keep your cursor movement smooth and pause briefly on key items so they're easy to follow during playback. Remember, only what's inside the box will be in your video. When you are finished, press the Stop button, the small square on the control bar. Snipping tool will stop the capture and finalize your file automatically. On most systems, the file is saved as an MP4 that opens in your default media player and shares cleanly in common apps. Recordings are typically saved in your Videos folder, inside the Screen Recording subfolder, so that's the first place to check when you are done. For consistently clean results, it helps to have the content you plan to show ready before you begin. Keep only the necessary windows visible, and be mindful of any notifications that might pop up inside your selected area. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, your Windows version may need the update that enables screen recording and snipping tool. And that's it. Thanks for watching.